Hi there, this is Joe Hall, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Search Console to Google Analytics 4. To start off, you're going to want to visit Google Analytics. This is the Analytics homepage here. And you're going to want to go down to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where it says Admin. Click the Admin button, and it will take you to the Admin homepage here. You're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the admin homepage, and there's a section in the right hand column called product links, and these are all of the Google products that you can integrate into Google Analytics 4. At the bottom of the list, there is a link called Search Console Links right here. If you click that, it will take you to a screen that says Search Console Links, and this is where all of the Search Console accounts that are associated with this Google Analytics account are listed. And as you can see here, I don't have any yet connected, and so we're going to add a Search Console link right now. We're going to do that by going to the top right hand section here where there's a blue button called Link. If we click that, it opens up a wizard instructions to connect a Search Console account. The first step in this process is called Choose Search Console Property, and we can do that by clicking this blue link right here on the right hand corner that says Choose Accounts. And when we do that, it will open up a list of all of the Search Console accounts that are associated with the user account that we're logged into. And so this is important that you are logged into the correct Google account that is tied to the Search Console account that you need to connect to Google Analytics 4. For us, the account that we're looking for is the very bottom one here, and so I'm going to click this check mark right here, which selects the Search Console account that we want to connect to Google Analytics. And after I've done that, I'm going to go up here to the top right hand corner of the screen where it says Confirm, and click the Confirm button. After that, you can see here the Search Console property is listed within step 1, and then we can click Next and go to step 2. In step 2, we're going to select the correct web stream. And so in prior videos, I've talked about how to set up a web stream within Google Analytics 4. And so we want to make sure that we have selected the correct web stream that is associated with that Google Search Console account. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to click Select right here. We're going to find the web stream that is associated with the website, and because I only have one web stream attached to this account, it's right here at the top. Usually it's going to be whichever web stream is tied to the website itself, and you probably will only have one listed, but if you have others, you're going to make sure that you click the one that's tied to the same Search Console account. So we're going to click Choose right here, and we've gone back to the step process, and now we can see that the web stream that we just selected is listed under Select Web Stream, and now we can click Next. The last step here is to review the two selections that we just made, and what's really important here is that we are confirming that these are both for the same website or the same web property. And so here we can see the Search Console property is the same domain name as the web stream property below it. And so because we've confirmed that, we can click Submit right here. And after we've hit Submit, it'll take a little time to connect the accounts, and then we can see it says Link Created right here. Now we can X out of this page. And now we can see that Search Console property that we just connected to Analytics is now listed under Search Console links right here, which confirms that we've connected our Search Console property to our Google Analytics 4 property. Just to confirm that everything is working the right way, we can go up to Reports right here, and we will probably need to, after we've gone back to the report section of Analytics, we will probably need to refresh the page, because sometimes Analytics does not include additional reports that we just added without refreshing the page. So we have to refresh the page like so. And now you can see that after I refresh the page, there's a new section right here in the menu item called Search Console, and we have two reports underneath Search Console, one for queries and one for Google organic search traffic. Because the Search Console account that I just set up is not receiving any data yet, the reports for me in this demonstration are blank. But if you are connecting a Search Console account that has been around for a while and is already collecting data, then you should be able to see information and metrics in this report. Hope that answered all your questions and you are able to connect your Search Console account to Google Analytics 4 without any problem in the future.